dead. Yep, you're dead. You're dead there. One here, maybe. Come on. That guy, he's alive. I don't know how you're gonna grab all these things. This guy. Come on. I'm not a beekeeper. There, one. Let's save him. Come on. No, just come here. One at a time is going to take a while. I got shit to do here. You see how fucking stunned that guy is. Put him in the water. Give him a bit of water. And then they're gonna watch his wings. I think he's hurting, man. Big guy here. If they fly away, they fly away.